Feel uninvited. Left home in West LA. I'm not excited. So uninspired. On my way to play the bay while you're alone. This girl's a wonder. She loves me, yeah, she needs to know I love her. I wonder if we'll make it through this summer. Just wanna touch like back when we were younger. Yeah. Why don't you love me, love me, love me? Touch me, touch me, touch me no more. Why don't you love me, love me, love me? Touch me, touch me, touch me no more. Love me, love me, love me. Touch me, touch me, touch me.
Good evening fam, welcome back to my channel. So today is a big day for all of our bikers of HRC because Ibrahim is opening his new cave at near Manikonda. So yes, I'm going over there. It's 5 in the evening and I don't think today I will be late because I'm on time. I just hope there should not be so much of traffic, and I have a small work at Malkajgiri, and so I would complete that and will head towards Begumpet where I need to meet few others riders. From there we will be going towards to the location. And I have a small work here in Malkajgiri, so once I get this done I would be directly heading to Begumpet Paradise where I will be meeting few other riders and we all go together to the location. And there are few special guests appearing today for the inauguration. So yes, we go. Chalo, I will directly see you at the Begumpet where Gopal and Pawan are going to join. Chalo. మహేందర్ గాడు, సాయి కిరణ్ గాడు, వాళ్ళు ఏమో మరి. ఏంది కొత్త బండిలాగా ఉందని చూస్తున్నావా? కొత్త బండిలాగా ఉందని చూస్తున్నావా? ఆ బిత్రే గారు తీసుకుపోయేప్పుడు కడిగించిండు. ఎవరైనా తీసుకొచ్చినా కడిగిస్తారు. మళ్ళీ సతీషా అటు రారా అంటే రానంటాడేంటి? లీవ్ ఎందుకు? కాదు, ఇప్పుడు షిఫ్ట్ టైంకి ఎప్పటి వరకు? ఎప్పుడు? ఆఫ్టర్నూన్ 12.
ఆఫీస్ నుంచి కాల్ చూస్తాయేమో అని చెప్పి ఫ్లైట్ మోడ్ పెట్టి వాళ్ళనేమో
పడిపోయిందని అంటున్నా. ఆయనకి లేదా ఈరోజు ఆఫీసు?
ఏమో ఆయన ఇష్టమే, ఆడ ఎట్లా చెప్తారు.
టైం లేదు, వెళ్ళిపోవాలా. ఫోన్ ఆన్ చేసిండా? So yeah, Gopal is not still here. It seems that he will be late by 5 minutes or so. Let me just directly call him. I am going to get a person. Is a special appearance in today's vlog and for the event as well. So I don't want to be late. It's already 6:24 and he asked me to be there at 6:30. It's showing 9 minutes from here. I think I can make it. Actually, I'm leaving them all and we will meet somewhere after 4-5 kilometers and we will go together. Yeah. Hi అన్న ఫ్యూ అన్న మా ఫ్రెండ్స్ కూడా వస్తారు ఇద్దరు యా Chalo, Gopal and Pavan are also coming here, so I'm just waiting for them. Sam, we have just picked Ishwaran from here TV9 office. He is a director of few films in Bollywood, and we have Zohair Ahmed coming up at the location, and we also have an famous actor who is Agastya, who did a lead in Mattu Vadalara movie. So yes, it is showing us a distance of 5 kilometers from here. So it will take around 10 to 15 for me to reach the location. So I will also leave the geolink location, the Google Maps location in the description. So if you want to visit a cave and give it a try, do come and check it out. I will also review some food. I will also review some food of the cave and will let you know in the same video. I think it would be next level because the care that Ibrahim took while getting a chef and the ingredients that he is using are of a good quality. So I don't think so there would be any issues with the food, but I will just give it a try and will also let you know about the food quality. So if you are interested in the typical Arabian food like shawarmas and all that, you can just come by and give it a shot. Chalo, there is nothing to show here on the road. Let's make a cut here and we'll catch you there. So finally we are here at location of the event. There is Ibrahim managing all the work together, and yeah, just a second, just give me 2 minutes, I will go and keep it there. Chalo, let me just meet you on the tripod. Let me get this GoPro and get it connected to the tripod. Lined up our bikes and Ibrahim is a bit busy in receiving the guests. So few members are still coming up. We are waiting for the Zohair bike. Once he is there, so we will be all good to rock and roll. Chalo, let's see how many more riders are coming up. After which you already can see the helmets lined up there. Chalo, let me turn on the camera once everyone is there. I'm a bit busy when like packing all the stuff. Once I get this all sorted, I will just meet you when everyone is up.
इधर आ जाओ और थोड़ा इधर आ जाओ आलू सीधी कर यार
రానివేమో అన్న నా దాంట్లోకి
కెమెరా ఆనున్నప్పుడు ముత్యాలు రావు ఆవున్నప్పుడు వచ్చేటి అండి
हाँ भैया कितने सालों से कर रहे हो 8 साल कहाँ पे है पूछा एक 5-6 लोगों से ज़बरदस्त है कहते आपका चलो शुक्रिया भैया. मैं तो खा लिया.
Guys, I have asked like couple of people about the taste, and it seems that it is next level. Please do come here and check it out yourself. I will leave a location tag in the description so that there would be no issues while you come in, and the rates are also very affordable. Yeah, guys, this is the call for the day. We have successfully gone through to the Ibrahim's HC, and we are here at Mahinder's house. I just wanted to drink some water, so just stopped by. After here I will be heading towards my home. There is no light to do a motovlog from here because it's already so dark. So thank you for watching this video. Please do subscribe, share and comment down below, and I will also leave the the location of the cave in the description. If you are nearby, you can just go there and check it out. Thank you so much. Bye bye.
Bye.
Thank you.